Suddenly, several Twitter users reported about Twitter direct messages were not working on Twitter. Also, when they try to send any text, it shows error loading page on Twitter. Because of this problem, some users cannot send or receive direct messages on Twitter. Solving the Twitter DM not working today issue is relatively simple. After following my process, now you'll learn a way to solve your Twitter DM issues. So, let's get started. Before you do anything, make sure to check the Twitter server. If the server fails to work, your Twitter DM won't work. So, open browser, type Twitter server issues. Click here. Now, if you see any all systems operational, that means you have no issues with the server. But if it's not operational, that means you have server issues. Now, if you found that you have no problems with the server, then you need to follow another process. Now, let's start with a basic troubleshooting process on Twitter account. So, firstly, open Twitter apps, tap Profile, tap Setting and Privacy. Scroll down, tap Privacy and Safety. Now, you need to choose a direct message. Now, enable all options from here. Now, go back. Now check your issues. Now if you still have issues with your direct message, you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps. Now find out about Twitter. Enable Auto Start, scroll down, tap Restricted Data Usage. Enable all the option. Now go back. Now tap Other Permission. Now enable all the settings on Twitter. Choose battery, set it to no restriction. Go back and come to the primary setting of your Android phone. Now open Play Store, type Twitter, tap on Twitter apps. First, check the update. If you see there is an update, then update it. Or if you can't find any update, after following all the process, you'll be able to solve your DM not working or not showing message issues on your Twitter account. Please let me know in the comment section if you still have anything to ask. Thanks for watching.